Yo, welcome to Crypto Shark again to my channel, and today I have really great news for you. Okay, and this is about 8-bit. I just got $8,000 from 8-bit. Okay, and this was one of the best platforms. So today's episode we're gonna talk about 8-bit, how to use it, and how you can make some cash with 8-bit. Stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. So let me show you basically a couple of things about 8-bit. Look at these guys. I want to show you on this platform, as you can see, that 8-bit have $7,577 already in the account. So basically they send me a message. Okay, and let's read the message. It says that congratulations, you have given a personal promo coupon valid next to 120 hours. You can make an investment to any available packages, receive a higher bonus deposit, which is mean if you deposit to the 100 months, you get instead 5%, you're gonna get 15%, and so on. Progressive 48 months, 7%, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 1. So you have many percentage here you can do. And now this is the message I got from the 8-bit, and I'm going to explain you exactly what they're saying. They're saying, dear Shark Holdings, due to the recent surge of exchange rate of numerous payment processors and cryptocurrencies, an automated bit deposit protection script has been activated to curtail active deposit. Your deposit of 0.35 Ethereum has already bought you total profit of 0.79 Ethereum, 228.8%, where 0.449 Ethereum, 128.8% in net profit. Okay, so basically all this returned to me, and in the end they say now you can deposit these funds to new investment packages or withdraw them to your e-wallet, external wallet. If you have any question, please contact our live support to submit a ticket. So basically what they're saying, they returned most of my programs, okay, most of my investments, and they give me the choice, or you can stay with us and invest more, or you can just withdraw. So let's withdraw half of that, and I'm gonna show you on the live how to do it, and the rest we're gonna invest. So look at this. So I have $761 $7,661 so what we're gonna do is this. Player, I already withdraw. Now we have a Bitcoin. This is the most important. I love Bitcoin and I want to make it more. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start doing create a new deposit. Okay, and this program, this is a say 5%, but you can activate the validation for another, I think, 13 hours. So you have more 13 hours to do that, guys. So look at this. You're gonna press here on, you're gonna go down, and here you have from balance. So you have different balances here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on the Bitcoin, this, and I'm gonna put here, let's say 0.25. This is what I want to put in this program, and I'm gonna do validate. Now watch this. If I'm gonna do that, it's gonna say boom, this coupon has been used for investment under trial that 1% progressive bonus progressive management. The coupon ends on the 21st 5 of the next month of the 5th. So I'm gonna do deposit, and now it says you the details. So 0.025 bitcoins gonna be added, and the total bonus I can get is 0.00375, which is, this is another extra for my deposit. This is really great. You're gonna go press confirm, and they say here, ta-da, you got new level, and your investment has been made. Now, if you look here, now my active investments is around 3,500. Now I want to withdraw the rest. Now let's see, maybe people think, oh, I cannot withdraw that money, maybe it's just a credit. So let's just withdraw and see if it's work. So we're gonna click create a withdraw. We're gonna press on the Bitcoin and we're gonna click here. The fee is a little okay, but it's okay. And we're gonna withdraw it to confirm address. It's gonna withdraw to my address, to my blockchain basically, and we're gonna do confirm. Okay, so ta-dam, you're successfully withdraw 0.047 Bitcoins. So now we probably want to check if it's come true, right? So I'm gonna show you that this actually did. So I'm gonna go to my blockchain. Okay, we're gonna log in right now and I'm gonna show you something. If I go to Bitcoin transactions, you can see that 0.0474 come true. They pay instantly, guys. This is one of the best platforms you can even have. It's a crazy money, guys. So let's go back. So now let me explain you how can you use the 8-bit. Very simple, guys. So first of all, after you register, what you need to do is you're gonna go to your main dashboard and you have two options to buy packs. First of all, it's one click to create a new deposit, obviously, or you can do refill your account. Once you do refill your account, you can put any coin you want. You have different coins here you can choose. It's Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Perfect Euro, Tether, True USD, everything. You can look up later on the list. This is all the coins they're working with. Okay, a lot of coins, and you just press how much you want to do, how much you want to deposit, and do refill. Once you finish the refill, it's just gonna go to your balance, and then you can buy the packs. Okay, now once you click the deposit, you have different packs here. Trial, so you can try it for 1 month. You're gonna get 100% plus 0.75. And also you can validate that, but I don't recommend to do it. So if you want to go big, you should go for the better packages, okay, which is this one. And then you press here. If you did a refill to your account, you're just gonna do from balance. If you did a new deposit, you want to do a new deposit, you're just gonna choose the coin you want to deposit. You're gonna press validate, deposit, and then you just deposit to that address. It's very simple. Now another thing I want to show you, you can claim Doge free every single day with their bot. All you have to do is connect the Telegram bot and then you can do it. Okay, so this was about 8 bits and I'm making nice money, so let's make another deposit. Okay, so let's see, we have 0 BTC right now because I already emptied it. Now I have 2.8 Litecoins, so of course I want to make some Litecoins as well. So I'm gonna press click to deposit here. Again, I'm gonna search the Litecoin from here, right? And I wanna use just 1.5 Litecoins. Okay, the rest I want to take back home, and the total I'm gonna get here is 22.57 Litecoins. It's a $4,000. Now I want to validate that, of course, because I want to get a little bit more, guys. So we're gonna do a deposit and 1.5 Litecoins. Boom, boom shakalaka, and we got 1.5 LTC deposit at the Giant program. So you can see last deposit 0.22 Litecoins. Why is that? Because they just gave me extra. Okay, so now my active deposit is 3,500. I'm gonna go to that. Now I want to withdraw that the rest of the Litecoin, so we're gonna do click to withdraw. and we're gonna press on a Litecoin, okay, and we're gonna press to confirm the withdraw. This is what I'm gonna get. We're gonna press this, and bam, you just got paid. Ching! Did you hear that sound? Look at this beautiful thing. We have 1.5 Litecoins in our wallet, in our Exodus. See, this is amazing. And I got a message in the email that they just paid. So this is really amazing things going on with the 8-bit. Now the next coin. So we have some Doge. It's not enough, so we cannot do it. But we have a 179 Ripple, which is we can do that too. So we're gonna go for Ripple, and we're gonna choose Ripple XRP, and from here, how much to check the minimum, just press 0 and you're gonna see 75. So I wanna do 100 Ripple. Let's do 100 Ripple. Okay, and we're gonna validate that as well, deposit. So I'm gonna get extra 15 Ripple, and boom, cha-ching. I'm gonna have this, and you're getting experience every time you do that. Now what the experience do, they just give you some bonuses. Now Ripple, the rest I want to withdraw, so we're gonna click to withdraw, and let's withdraw the 70 Ripples. Now deposit destination. Oh, I have to set up okay, I'm gonna do it later. Let's go to the next coin. So we have here the Tron. Okay, so let's deposit some Tron. So again, I'm gonna click this, and we're gonna go on the Tron TRX, and this is how you produce coins, guys. This is better than stacking in Binance. Okay, so here I don't want to do the all 4,000. I want to do, let's say, 1,500. I want to do it, and the total we're gonna get 22k. Now we're gonna do validate that and deposit. So the extra we're gonna get 225 Tron, which is really nice. I did deposit, and here you go. So as you can see, oh, only tomorrow probably gonna this. So I did also the Chainlink as well. So I want to withdraw Chainlink. So let's withdraw Chainlink and Tron. So we're gonna go to Tron, and we're gonna confirm to withdraw, and it's gonna be for this wallet. Chain, we got the Tron. Now let's see. Boom! We got $117 of Tron sitting in my wallet right now. Isn't that amazing, guys? You like it? Perfect. So this is all about the 8-bit. Guys, I hope you like what you see. Oh, wait. We have an Ethereum over here. Of course I want to do some Ethereum, man. I need Ethereum. So let's go and do Ethereum. Right? And again, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna look for Ethereum, and I want to do 0. You know what? I believe in this platform, so I'm gonna do 1 Ethereum here. 1 Ethereum. Yeah. No. Actually, I need some Ethereum in my Binance, so I'm gonna 0.75 Ethereum. Okay, so it's gonna be 11 Ethereum total. I'm gonna validate it, and we're gonna do deposit, and we're gonna get 0.11 Ethereum as a gift to our deposit. Boom. Hey, level 28. Nice. Very nice. Okay, and the rest we want to withdraw. So I'm gonna click withdraw again. I'm gonna press on the Ethereum, and we're gonna press click to withdraw. This is gonna be my address, and let's see if we're gonna hear chain. Oh, we got it. Nice, guys. Look at this. Look at this Ethereum. Boom, beautiful. $1,000 right there. All right, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really liked my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'm gonna do something really nice for you. Whoever joined to the 8-bit, I'm gonna do a small giveaway. So if you deposit, I'm gonna give to a random commenter another 5% on his deposit, which is mean if you deposit $1,000, you're gonna get 5% from your $5,000. You get 5% from your deposit straight to your wallet. Just don't forget to comment, like, and put your wallet address. Let's start. Whatever you gonna deposit, just put your exact wallet of what you deposited, and I'm gonna add it to your account, or to 8-bit, or I'm just gonna give it to your wallet. It's just gonna be a random competition, so you guys can win some giveaway. And I'm gonna start doing giveaways every week. Every Friday I'm gonna start doing giveaways with random commenters. So as long as you invite friends and tell them all about this channel, it's gonna be really helpful for me to build up my channel again. As you all know, I had a channel with almost 2,000 subscribers, and YouTube take it down because I promoted free Bitcoin, which is, they consider that is a gamble, so you're not allowed to promote that. So I created a new channel, and this is my new channel, Shark Holdings. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned. Peace.